Hi guys, it's officially my last day in this house today. And when I say last day, I mean everything in this room has been cleared out, apart from the bed and the chest of drawers. But apart from that, everything's gone. My desk's gone, everything else in the house is gone, apart from the odd bit of furniture. It's actually weird and it doesn't really feel quite real yet. Anyway, little life update. Tomorrow, we're leaving the house and staying at our friend's house for a couple of nights until we finally travel on the 25th. But this is where things get interesting. So we literally found out last minute, the house that we're moving into, the roof in one of the rooms has literally caved in. Don't exactly know what it looks like, but that's what information we've got. So yeah, I didn't really expect that plot twist. Instead, we're going to be living in a caravan with all our pets for 2 to 3 weeks, which is going to be, for lack of a better word, an experience. And if you didn't know, my cat Nala, she can be such a little princess and she's always getting herself into trouble half the time. So she will be a bit of a problem child, I think, compared to our other cat Simba, who's such a chill out guy. And then there's Murphy, who, he's fine. He's like, just wants to be with us, so I don't think it'd be a problem. And honestly, at this point, I'm just rolling with it, because what else can you do? But hey, that's the current chaos. Empty house, living out a bag, caravan life pending, somehow trying to keep everything moving forward at the same time. But anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video for you all and give you a quick update on what's happening and take you along for the madness, because it's definitely a journey right now. But yeah, like, ask me anything in the comments and keep me company while I sit in this empty room. If you want to follow more of this journey on my move back to the UK, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates on what's happening in my life. Okay, bye for now.